What if I told you that your next video could be the one that finally breaks through the noise? What if I said the reason you are not getting views isn't your idea, your camera, or even your editing, but something way simpler and yet so often ignored? In this video, I am going to walk you through a powerful strategy that can literally transform how people engage with your videos. We will break it down step by step using real examples and tactics you can implement today. And stay with me until the very end because I will share a secret that every successful creators follow, and trust me, it can change everything. So let's go. So let's talk about the real reason your videos are not growing. Let's be honest, creating videos is hard. You brainstorm an idea, film for hours, edit late into the night, only to upload it and get what? Only a few views. That's really frustrating, right? But here's the real reason most videos never get traction. They don't hold attention, not because the content is bad, but because it's not structured in a way that keeps the viewer interested. And guess what? YouTube doesn't care how hard you worked in your video. It only cares how long people are watching it. If viewers leave early, the algorithm buries your video. If they stick around, YouTube promotes it. Simple as that. This is called audience retention, and it's the foundation of growth. So how do we fix it? Step number 1 will be anchor your video with immediate relevance. The first 5 seconds of your video are everything. Imagine this: you click on a video titled "How to Stay Motivated When Nothing's Working," and the video starts with, "Back in 1947, a man in a small town." As soon as it starts, you're gone. You will lose interest. And now imagine the same title, but the video starts with, "If you have been pushing and nothing seems to be working, you are not alone." And this video might be exactly what you need today. Boom, you are in. You feel seen and you keep watching. Always open with a direct connection to your title. Make the viewer feel like, yep, this is what exactly I came for. Now, step number 2 is to offer a reward to stay for. Give your viewers a reason to keep watching until the end. This is called future parsing. You are planting curiosity, a reason to wait. Say something like, "By the end of this video, I will show you the single tactic that helped creators double their views in a week, and it's not what you think, just like I did at the start of this video." This keeps their attention and your retention high. Then step number 3 will be to build emotional connection with relatable moments. Let's talk about emotional glue. You know what sticks with people. Moments where they feel like you understand them. Not tutorials, not facts, not flashy visuals, but relatability. If you have ever said something like, "You know that moment when you stare at the upload button and wonder if it's even worth it," you just gained trust. People lean into what feels personal, even in educational videos. The more human you sound, the longer people will stay. Then step 4 is to surprise the viewer with shifts and moments. Now this part is fun. Throw in a twist, an unexpected change, not a plot twist like in a movie, but a pattern shift in your content. This could be a quick joke, a sudden question, a bold statement, or even a change in your tone or visuals. For example, most creators give up with 5 videos. Crazy, right? But you are not the most creators. That kind of moment resets the viewer's focus. It's like a mental espresso shot that keeps people engaged. And then finally, the step 5, which is to guide the viewer with smooth flow. You know what really makes viewers leave? Confusion. If your video jumps from topic to topic with no structure, people feel lost. Even great information feels overwhelming without flow. So here's what you can do. Before recording, write down your main points. Decide what order makes the most sense. Use phrases like, "Let's move on to the next point." Here's where it gets really interesting. Now that we have covered that, let's dive deeper. These transitions help your audience stay grounded. Think of them as stepping stones that you guide your viewers across the river of your content. Alright, so now let's tie it all together. To increase your video watch time and your chances of going viral, do this. Deliver on your title first. Promise a reward to stay. Use real, relatable moments. Add pattern shifts to grab attention back. Keep the video flowing smoothly. Mastering this doesn't require a studio. It just requires clarity, empathy, and structure. Now that you know how to structure your content, before going to the biggest secrets which I promised, let me share a great solution. If you want to grow on YouTube but you don't want to show your face or spend hours editing every video, you should definitely check out Vexub.com. Vexub lets you create automated faceless YouTube videos in minutes. From script to voice to visuals, it's all done for you. No tech headaches, no speaking on camera. Whether you are starting a side hustle or scaling your content, Vexub gives you the tools to start your own channel without the stress. So head over to Vexub.com, check out their subscription packages and start creating today. Now, as I promised, here is the secret yet simple trick that we all should follow. Even if you follow everything perfectly, if your video idea is something nobody cares about, it won't work. So the secret is to pick topics people are already interested in, then deliver better than anybody else. Spend more time researching what people want than you want to say. And that's the difference between uploading into the void and getting discovered. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and give it a like. It tells YouTube this content is worth spreading. And if you want more videos that actually help you grow, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. That's where all the good stuff's coming next. Thanks for hanging out today. Go make something great, and remember, the next viral video could be yours.